Welcome to lowcapshub. In the first tutorial from our series, you are going to learn how to download our terminal from GitHub. At the beginning, you're supposed to visit our website and go to the terminal section. When you get there, scroll down and click the download button. By doing it, you will be redirected to our GitHub's repository. From here, you have two ways to go. If you would like to download everything what is necessary to work with our source code, click on the arrow near Code button and next choose Download Zip. Whereas if you prefer to using our software itself without implementing your own modifications, go through Extracted App folder to lowcaps hub terminal XC. After that, the only thing you must do is click on the three dots and download app only as well. We strongly recommend to check the documentation before you start using our solutions. That's everything. It wasn't complicated, was it? You will learn more about each of functionalities in the next part of the series. See you soon.